Lead magnets are essential for your online businesses. It enables you to build a database of potential customers or clients, and an email list is a must if you want to create a relationship with your audience and generate revenue. It's also important because if the platform you are using to generate leads boots you off, you are still able to contact your customers. You own your list. However, there's a problem. There are a lot of moving parts in creating a lead magnet. Juggling multiple tools to create lead magnets, struggling with complicated software, wasting hundreds of dollars per month on rarely used tools, losing leads due to slow processes, and hard to update and organize lead magnets. This can be expensive and time consuming, as there is a high chance that you won't have the time to do this and risk losing potential email subscribers. What if there was a better way, an easier and faster way? More streamlined, easier to create, one dashboard to create, store, share and track lead magnets, AI-powered templates for fast, engaging lead magnets, one simple fee, no hassle, peace of mind, gain thousands of fresh leads due to simple, rapid content creation, update old lead magnets with one click, and a built-in affiliate program. Keep watching. And the tool I've been alluding to is Lead Creator, which is a fantastic tool. It's been around for many months now, and I've had it for a couple of weeks and played around with it. As you can see from the sales page, we're now able to create lead magnets in 4 simple steps, as you can see on the screen. I'll leave a link below which will take you to the page, but it's absolutely incredible, and it has made creating lead magnets an absolute breeze. In a moment we'll jump into my dashboard and we'll create a lead magnet together. Right, I'm now in the dashboard of Lead Creator AI, and in the center you can see the first obvious step. So we're going to create a lead magnet together. So if we just click that, I've had a little think before recording, and I thought weight loss tips will possibly be a good general one to test it out for you. And I've chosen a 10-point listicle. However, there are various other choices you can choose from. For this example, use a 10-point listicle. Now I've gone to ChatGPT and asked it to create me a prompt for this. You can also use ChatGPT for your final lead magnet, but this incorporates an AI writer, so we'll see how this gets on. On the right hand side you've got various personas you can choose from. As you can see there, I've chosen Seth Godwin, or you can choose no persona. And then below we can include an introduction and include a conclusion, and below, which we're not going to do because it's a listicle. And below that we've got negative keywords. I'm not going to put any in today, but if there were any words that you didn't want to appear in your lead magnet, then you'd simply enter in that box. Reading level 12th grade, English US, I'm happy with that. So we shall click create and see what we get. There we go. So we get a little prompt button, and it's going to take about 3 minutes, so I'll come back when it's ready. Right, well here we go. This took about 3 to 4 minutes, and as you can see we've got a 10-point listicle on weight loss tips, which is pretty amazing. I didn't really have to put a lot of thought into it. So from here we've got a standard sort of Google Doc toolbar running along the top, but there are shortcut bars. So if you want to add images, we simply click within our content and press the / button, and then we can insert an image. And I've downloaded a few just to speed things up, but we just insert an image here, and then we can just adjust the size if we choose to. So that's one way. We can change the color of text. by simply going to the top here and changing the text color. It becomes a red or a green, whatever you think is most suitable. We can also insert videos. So in this case, we could insert a video, a YouTube video. We just insert the URL to that video, insert video, and there you go. You have a fully functioning YouTube video to back up your lead magnet. In terms of content, it's always advisable to eyeball it and read through it and check that everything is correct and as it should be. And of course, once you've gone through it and tweaked it and played with fonts and colors, added images just to make your lead magnet look more enticing, we move on to the left hand panel, and this is where the magic happens. So we select email capture, and then you've got a choice of templates that you can choose from. We're on a standard at the moment on the right hand side, but there's an ebook style cover, which you simply drop your image in here. Blurred button, and that's what would appear on the lead magnet initially. Video, you can drop a video in, and then you can also have no email capture form. I'm not sure why you'd want that, but we'll stick with standard. And then the next one down is form fields. So you can now edit your opt-in form on the right from these drop down boxes. So I shall put loss tips. So I put 10 weight loss tips. You obviously want something more compelling than that for someone to enter their email address, but on the left again, you can change your form fields, name, email, privacy policy. If you do have one on your website, you can simply drop the link in here. And then for the capture, it's saying I agree to your URL. I want to receive emails from and yourself. And then the next one down is button label. I want to keep reading. Let me in, for example. And it's as simple as that. You do have the option for double opt-in, whereby your potential customer would have to receive an email first agreeing to opt into your list. I don't use that at all. Styles, you've got a choice of the header position, the background color, the button, and the text color of the button. And then the next choice is the trigger. So you can have it on a blur timer, half page blur, on mouse scroll, or on a button click. So once we've gone through this bit, I'll show you what I mean and how they look. So I'll just save changes for now. On this occasion, I've chosen the half page blur, which I'll show you when we get to that. This is where the magic happens in integrations. As you can see, there are a multitude of email services this connects to. In my case, I use GetResponse. So we simply drop down and select from one of our lists. Now I've just got the one, this email marketing, so I'll select that and save changes. So anyone opting into this lead form will go into my email marketing list. Next one down, I won't cover social slider. I want to come back to lead creator and create some more videos for a playlist, so I'm going to run through them step by step. And that's really about it. I'll just come out there, and there we have it, weight loss tips. On the dashboard you'll see the number of visits and actual leads, how many people opted into your lead magnet. And what we'll do, I'd forgotten to publish, so we want to click this and click publish, and then we can view it. So I click view, and this is how the lead magnet would appear. And as you can see, a couple of seconds have passed and it's popped up with an opt-in form. So I'll just put my name on here and my email. And I agree to the privacy policy, which I've obviously set up for myself. Let me in. Before I click this, what this form does have is a technology built in to detect whether the email is a spammy email. It's got filters built in, so you're less likely to get junk emails and more than likely legitimate primary email addresses. So once I clicked let me in, there we go, I've got access to the lead magnet, and it's as simple as that. And I'm now on my list, but it'll be your list obviously. Yes, as you can see, very good, and that was very easy. It didn't take more than 8 minutes in real time from start to finish. So that you can actually see the lead magnet in action, what I'll do is leave a link to this lead magnet below the video, and you can go through the process and the opt-in, and you also get this, what I think is quite valuable. It covers what you do when you get your first email subscriber, and how to respond, how to talk to them, how to build a relationship. So I think you'll find that valuable, but the very first link will be a link to the actual software itself. Thank you for watching. Sorry it took a bit of time, but I hope you get the general idea, and I can tell you, once you try this, you really won't go back. The absolute beauty of it is whatever content you're creating, you can create a custom lead magnet for a particular piece of content rather than having to stare at a blank screen. As you can see, it took a few clicks and I've got a perfectly good lead magnet to put out there. Thank you for watching. I will be making a playlist on Lead Creator, so keep an eye out for that one, and we'll be running through the other features. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.